The weather is cooler, the sun is gone, it rained, and the pollen is down a little bit, so I can be able to do this. This for you, Mr. Henderson. Where's my damn camera? Okay, so you want to change your power steering control module, Infiniti Q50. Yeah, I was having this issue where my steering was turning hard for some years. Well, since I got this car, did everything, but ended up deciding to spend the money to get the modules. I did the modules, so the steering is turning now. I have other issues, but the main issue of the steering being hard has been solved. There's been a lot of talk about it on the internet. Read a lot of forums, a lot of write-ups, but no video actually, talking about it or showing the details of it. But I'm gonna try to do my best here to show about this. So you want to change your power steering control module. Here's what you got to do. I know for on the 15 is 3 of them, at least 3 major ones. 16 and up I think is a little different, but this is a 15. So this is one of the modules here. There's one on the drivers and one on the passengers. So here, probably better if I jack the car up, but I don't have that time. But you can pretty much, if you take the bumper off, it's right here, right, literally be in front of the passenger side wheel, right? So this is one of them. And you're gonna, if you get a car and it's missing one of them, you cannot just replace one, as I have found the hard way. You have to replace all 3, new or used. I believe used one you can get away with programming, because this was a used one and I didn't have to program it. I just threw it in here and boom, the steering started working. So the other one, it's over there, right? You can see it right there. It has a bracket that is supposed to go on, but mine is kind of janky right now, but it is on there. So that's the driver's side. Probably this one you might not have to remove the bumper. You might just have to jack the car up, take the wheel off, and you'll be able to get to that one. But that's the driver's side. So now there's one more inside the car behind the glove box. Let's go. So of all 3 of them, this is the most fun. That's the one with the where you're gonna have the most fun and the most difficult one. Not just because you have to remove the glove box, but because the screws that hold it back there is very difficult to get to. You can't even see it, like it's right up against the firewall. So thank God for my power ratchet. I was able to get on there, because there's no way you're gonna get on there with the regular ratchet turning back and forth. So but I was able to squeeze it in there. I don't know if you have to take that bolt off, but there's a bracket up here. Hold on. There's a bracket up here. Let me see if I can find it. So I didn't even bother putting it in. That's how difficult and pissed I was. This bracket goes in. It's supposed to go like that. Hold on. It's supposed to go and sit on top of it like that, and this part here mates against this one. The bolt just holds it in. But I didn't even bother putting it back in because it was so difficult, and I was just trying to see if this will work anyway, but it ended up working. So but I mean, right now it looks like it's held on pretty good, so I'm probably not even gonna worry about it. So but I took that bolt off. Oh shit, not even on camera. I took that bolt off, took that one off. There's this 2 up here in front of here that's easy to get to. You probably don't have to take that one off, because I think that's the ECM. I don't know what module that is, but it's not related to the power steering. It's probably the ECM, but you don't have to take that one off. I did take it off. Oh shit. And then I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but let me do my best. I hope the camera, I'm not crawling back down there again, but I hope the camera catches it. Back there should be 2 more bolts. Okay, let's visualize it this way. Here's the one I removed from there. So it goes like that. So this is the 2 so these 2 holes here are these 2, right? These 2. Now on the back there are also another 2. There's these 2 in the back that you gotta take off. So these 2 right here are the very difficult ones to get to. My hands are big. I don't know if it's my hand, but I'm quite sure there's no room back there. But if you play with it long enough, you'll be able to get to it. As soon as you take those 2 off, this thing literally falls down. You know, as soon as you take it off, pry it out of here, pry it out like that, this module literally falls down. And this, you just, there are three harnesses that plugs into it. That's really easy to take off. You just pull the clips and it falls out. But that's the easy part. I'm not gonna waste time showing how to take their clips off. But that's where the other module lives. I looked online everywhere to see if I can at least see a video of it where this part is located. The front ones, I know where they are because I played with the car long enough to know where they are, but I could not figure out where this one is. So this is like learning on the fly for me. I have to figure out where this lives. So, but here you go. Thank me later. Now, if you try to do this, you know where it is. You know how to get to it. You're welcome. I'm gonna go up front, but I was gonna show how to take the harness off, but it's really easy. I mean, if you don't know how to take the harness off, I mean, you probably shouldn't be doing this. Now, the other problem I had was taking these ground clips. I was pulling it this way, but literally all you have to do is push it in and it clips out. And I didn't know. I was trying to pry this out, that little clip. I was trying to pry it like towards me, but you just literally push it in and it comes out. What else? Yeah, I mean, if you can get this far and take this off, everything else is just reverse of the installation. You just put everything back in and you should be good to go. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna wrap up here because it's getting dark. I'm gonna put my bumper back on. I just took this bumper off just to show this. Like I said, one is right here. There are 3 connectors on there. And there are some bolts. Literally, you don't even have to take this bracket off. Mine, the module I bought came with all the brackets, but you really don't have to take it off. There are 4 bolts holding it. There's one, and it's up here, under here too. Where is it? I thought there was another bolt somewhere. Right here. Where is it? Where is it? Fuck. I know it's here somewhere. There you go. 3. Maybe it's just a 3 of them. I don't know. But I mean, just look around. There's the 3 that I could see right. I thought it was 4 of them. It could have been 3. But once you take that off, once you take those 3 bolts off, or 4, if you could find another one, this module literally just falls out. If it's bad anyway, so you don't have to worry about it falling to the ground. But at least just try to make sure that you don't let it you know, that you don't drop it. But yeah, once you take that off, the module falls out. You unclip the harnesses that plug into it, and then you just put on the replacement one and button it back up. That's it. And then this part, because mine was missing, I really don't know how it was missing when I got the car, so I really don't know how it installs. So I just have it held on by a zip tie. But if you're replacing yours and yours was on, you just remove it however it's installed, and the installation is replacement is the reverse of however you took it out. But from my knowledge, a lot of people that get this car, it's usually this one that's missing. So I can't tell you how to install it, but you find a way to hook it on there like I did mine, and it just on there. Once I put the splash shield, I mean, I'll probably figure out a way to install it properly later on, but until I get the other issues that I'm having situated, it's just gonna hang on there right now because I can't enjoy the car. The car is driving now, the steering is turning, but I'm having some ABS issues right now where the car just keeps locking up, and I don't know. It's saying there's a communication wire issue, and I know I have some rat's nest over there, but it's something I have to work out. But there it is, power steering control module, Infiniti Q50. Here is the how to if you're gonna do it. I know I try to do my best. I'm showing this. I'm probably not that good at teaching or showing stuff, but if you have any question, just let me know and I'll do my best to answer. All right.